Hello guys, in this video we will learn order of operations. Operations means mathematical operations, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Most of the students find it difficult to solve the sum by using proper order of operations. For this, we will use BODMAS rule. We perform the operations according to BODMAS. The word BODMAS means here B means bracket. B means or B stands for brackets. O means of. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. We solve the sum according to this sequence. First, we remove all the brackets, then we solve the of symbol, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. During simplification, the operator of is replaced by the multiplication symbol. Means we replace the of by the multiplication symbol. We use the symbol multiplication at the place of of. Now we will learn about the brackets. The most common brackets are first is small bracket. This is a small bracket or common bracket. It is also known as common bracket. Next one is this type of bracket. It is curly bracket. Or it is also known as brace. Now the next one is big bracket. It is big bracket, or it is also known as rectangular bracket. Or square bracket. Now the last one is line bracket. It is also known as bar bracket or the vinculum. Now we will learn about the order of brackets. मीन्स अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में ये ब्रैकेट्स दी हों तो इन ब्रैकेट्स को किस ऑर्डर में हम सॉल्व करते हैं. फर्स्ट this, that means first we will solve vinculum, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and at last we solve the big bracket. Means first vinculum, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and at last we solve the big bracket. Here I am showing this with the help of some examples. Now I am showing you some examples which I will solve with the help of this BODMAS rule. Suppose 24 minus 7 multiply 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is given. First we will solve this and we will perform division. That means we will divide 2 with 2. We will divide 2 by 2, we get 1. Now multiplication operation. We will perform multiplication and we will multiply 7 and 4. 7 fours are 28. Now 24 minus 28 plus 1 is left. After multiplication, we will do addition. 24 plus 1. Both are positive, so we will add these two numbers and get 25. Now 25 minus 28, we get minus 3 as our answer. Now I will show you one more example based on this BODMAS rule. 3 multiply 25 plus curl bracket in a small bracket minus 4 multiply 16 minus 2 of 2 is given. According to rule, first we will remove all the brackets. So we will start first from the small bracket because no vinculum symbol is given here. So we will start from the small bracket. Minus 4 into 16 minus 2 of 2. 2 of 2 means 2 multiply 2 because of is replaced by multiplication symbol. Next, 2 of 2, it is 4. Now 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. 3 multiply 25 plus in curl bracket minus 4 multiply 12. After solving small bracket, we will open this curl bracket. Now 3 multiply 25 minus 4 when multiplied with 12 give minus 48. So plus minus minus we get minus 48. Now we will simplify 25 minus 48 and get minus 23. Now we will multiply 3 with minus 23 and get minus 69 as our answer. I am taking one more example for this. I hope with this example the BODMAS rule will be more clear to you. Minus 12 multiply curl bracket 2 of 5 minus 6 divided by 2 vinculum curl bracket and big bracket. Now we will start with the vinculum symbol. This we will write it as it is 2 of 5. Now first we will solve this vinculum. 6 is divided by 2 gives 3. This. Now 20 minus 2 under curl bracket 5 plus minus 12 multiply. Now 2 of 5. 2 of 5 means 2 multiply 5 which is equal to 10. 10 minus 3. Now 20 minus 2. Here in curly bracket 5 minus 12 is given. So 5 minus 12 is minus 7 multiply. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 20 minus 2 is multiplied with minus 7. Minus 2 into minus 7 which is equal to plus 14 multiply 7. Now addition and multiplication symbol is given here. So we will perform multiplication first because according to BODMAS rule, multiplication is done before addition. So 14 when multiplied with 7 gives 98. After adding 20 and 98, we get 118 as answer. I hope by these examples the BODMAS rule is clear to you. Like, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.